Just dropped this song last night. The grind don't stop for nobody. What's poppin', pretty gang? Today's video is gonna be a reaction. I told y'all I'm gonna be trying the whole reaction thing out. So far, your girls is loving it. But before we get today's video, I need y'all to go ahead, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, because why not? Why wouldn't you be subscribed? You know, because we're the pretty gang over here and we're all bad is over here. And if you want to be a part of the pretty gang, you can be a part of the pretty gang by just clicking the subscribe button. Okay. But yeah, let's get right into today's video. Okay, so I'm gonna be reacting to NBA Youngboy, 4 Sons of a King. Let's hope he got some. He never disappoint me, so we're gonna see what this is.
This fella came, my firstborn Draco. You made a nigga strong, you the one. This fella Taylor, my second baby, my wife is say Taylor. Before it's done, I promise we'll have a boy. Come married, K3, everything bottom 11, like Nelly nigga, just like me. Wear his headband like his cousin. I just swing you on that G. Forever, I got you forever. I know you got me. Just talk to Casey through an iPhone. I could cry. I knew that look up in your eye. Talk to moms up in so long. Some shit ain't right. Just gotta keep my head high. Just look backstage with a bag full of cash. Diamonds in the sex. I'm little nigga. I ain't stunning. I been so.
Let me just say, your girl is very much pleased. He never, ever disappoints me, okay? He always come with something hard. He always going crazy. And what I love is that he's in jail right now. And he just dropped this song last night. The grind don't stop for nobody. I love that. I love that. That's motivation. This cover wrong. Okay, well that was a good one. But like I said, that was good. He never disappoints your girl. I love NBA Youngboy. He is the GOAT, okay? If you haven't heard the song, make sure you go listen to it for yourself. If y'all like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe, because if you're not subscribed, what are you? Subscribe, baby girl, subscribe. Be the best thing you ever did. And comment below what you guys want to see me react to next, because I always take y'all suggestions. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Until next time, pretty gang.